Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best inverter welding machine. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for we rank the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5, brand name, and Delhi. Model number, TIG 250G Pro. And Delhi TIG welder is a breakthrough machine, utilizing the efficiency and reliability of multiple IGBT inverters, allowing a huge increase in duty cycle. This allows for improved efficiency with power conversion exceeding 85%, meaning you can push this powerhouse to the limit and beyond. IGBT features an innovative design that allows you to use your welder without having to worry about the cold welding machine being damaged. The TIG welder is made of high-quality stainless steel, which is durable and has a long service life. Clean the surface, expose the original appearance of shiny welding bead. The TIG welder is easy to install and use. Number 4, brand name, and Delhi. Model number, MIG 250ME. This machine is used for welding ordinary thin steel and iron. It can be installed with 0.030-inch 1 kg flux cord welding wire. It is very suitable for home DIY and general maintenance work, and is used for professional welders and welding enthusiasts. MIG welding machine uses wire welding technology to make welding more efficient and faster. No gas cylinder required. We have a simple control panel, excellent welding characteristics. Through a unified adjustment mode, you will master the use of the machine in a few minutes. The operation is very convenient. The use of high-quality integrated wire feeder to ensure smooth wire feed, adjustable welding voltage, current. This MIG welder has MIG, MMA, TIG mode 110 volt or 220 volt. Number 3, brand name, Hitbox. Model number, HBM 200. HBM 200 arc welder have protection equipment are set internally to prevent overheat, overcurrent to make sure safely operation. Cinder welder has lightweight and compact size with energy-saving feature. It can be used for a wide range of applications with high efficiency. Hitbox HBM 200 MIG welder panel is easy to operate. This welder has power settings and adjustable wire feed speed. 20 to 130 ampere working current is suitable for 0.8 to 4.0 mm metal plate welding. Equipped with one-touch intelligent control system and digital display. The core welding machine has built-in overcurrent, overvoltage and overheating protection. The welding equipment will automatically shut down in case of overheating and overload. The fan cooling system in operation reduces dust entering the machine and extends its service life. The size is suitable for family use. It is smaller, lighter and more portable than the traditional MIG welding machine. Plastic radiators are designed at the front and rear of the fuselage to reduce the possibility that the machine cannot work normally due to excessive temperature. Number 2, brand name, HZX Vaughan. Model number, HVM 200. The HZX Vaughan HVM 200 inverter welder is designed as a single-knob intelligent control system, coordinating the speed and current of the wire feeder. The precise digital display guides your welding work and provides me with a perfect weld. High-frequency transformer with strong conductivity can save energy, resist to high temperature, provide long working hours and lower loss. Its strong anti-electricity fluctuation ability and high energy storage ability can stabilize output current. Cord wire welding machine has built-in overcurrent, overvoltage and overtemperature protection. Number 1. Brand name, Deco. Model number, DK200. The device is easy to weld stainless steel, alloy steel, carbon steel, copper alloy and other non-ferrous metal, even for the first-time welder. IGBT power device with unique control mode make the device start arc easily, stable welding arc, deep weld pool and beautiful welding shape, perfect for the home DIY and general repairing work. The newly added digital display can accurately display the current data during the operation and provide reliable support for your welding operation. Compact and exquisite welder, made of heavy-duty stainless steel valve body, and coated with durable paint to ensure a long service life. Perfect for home DIY and general repairing work, made of heavy-duty stainless steel body and painted with durable paints, anti-impact and anti-corrosion, ensure its long-last serving lifespan.